How to find verification codes if missing on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Passwords application on your phone. As you can see, you require Face ID or passcode to open this app. Once you open the app, you will be brought to this page. Here, tap on Codes as shown. Over here, you can view all your saved verification codes on iPhone. Now, go back and open up the Settings app. Scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. From here, go to Messages. On this page, scroll down and turn on the Send as Text Message feature. This way, you can enhance your experience and privacy with the device. Following these steps, you can easily find verification codes if missing on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.